Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PensionBee Review My Usage Experience. PensionBee Review My Usage Experience offers a consolidated view of your pension pots. It's designed for individuals looking to manage and understand their pension savings from different providers in one place. Key features seem to include a dashboard showing your total pension value and the performance of each individual pot. Their website provides details on connecting your existing pension accounts. Their website highlights ease of use as a key benefit, promising a straightforward process for connecting and viewing your pension information. They emphasize transparency, though specific pricing details need to be checked directly on their site. The service uses secure API connections to access your pension data from various providers. Availability is seemingly widespread in the UK, but it's best to check their website for specific eligibility requirements. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using PensionBee Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The initial setup involved creating an account and then connecting my existing pension providers. This was relatively straightforward. I just needed to provide some basic details and authorize PensionBee to access my pension accounts. The interface itself is clean and intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays the total value of my pension pots, broken down by provider and investment type. I could easily drill down into each individual pot to see its performance history and investment strategy. The performance of the website was excellent. It loaded quickly and responded promptly to my actions. I had a quick question about linking one of my older pensions, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. Very helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. It made understanding my overall pension situation much clearer. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to see everything in one place. One minor drawback was the limited investment analysis tools. It doesn't offer deep dives into investment performance, just basic summaries. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with PensionBee Review My Usage Experience. It successfully consolidated my pension information and presented it in an easily digestible format. That's my overview of PensionBee Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.